Nunyan Buck, Danguraja. Dream big. My name is Jarvis Atkinson. I'm a proud Yorta Yorta man from Shepherd and Cummeragunja. I grew up on Cummera. I learned how to play basketball on Cummera. I have such a passion to give back to Cummera. We believe the kids that live on Cummera deserve safe facilities, a basketball court that embraces and elevates the culture of Cummeragunja, a playground that will bring laughter and happiness for the children on Cummera. This is an invitation to give back through infrastructure that will make long-lasting impacts on Cummera. And not only the youth, the parents, the families, cousins, the people that visit Cummera.
Well, we really need like a brand new park. Like, if you go over there, you're like 100% chance of stepping in a bindi and fall over and get them all in your heads and stuff.
We need a new park to play on because this park might break.
We need new swings, like it's half hanging off there.
Can you please support us to get a new playground?
Please support us so we can get a new basketball ring and playground so we can have fun too.
Nunyan Buck, Danguraja. Dream big with us, with me, and let's make a difference. Let's help give the kids a reason why they should choose sport and health on Cummeragunja.